First of all, I should congratulate the institution, the chairman, the management, principal and Dr. Tushar for the excellent work they are doing and the excellent infrastructure facilities that's available in this part of the country. I am told that the CBCT machine is the only one of its kind in the central part of the India, and more than that, they have crossed a landmark of 1000 CBCT, which is at a highly subsidized rate to the patients. So a large number of patients are benefited by this technology, so better planning of the treatment and better relief to the patients. So having reached some milestone, now it is time to take it further up, both at the national level and the international level. Because I myself was amazed at the facility that you have here. You should showcase it at various forms, both in the national and the international. Because when you have such facilities, when you have such brains and committed people, it is for them to be shown to the outside world that we are doing such a good work. I am sure that in the coming days, Dr. Tushar will take this project of making it as one of the best centers for training, because this could act as a center for training in the CBCT for the people from all over the country as well as from the neighboring countries, so that you are standing in the field of dentistry, you are standing in the field of medical science, will go up in the international arena. It will attract a lot of people from the international faculties also to come here, because they will be looking for patients, the number of patients that we get it, the abundant patients, clinical material, the variety of cases. They are not exposed, either it is in America or in Europe or any other countries. So they will be looking for such a wonderful opportunity, and for this purpose we should make use of this and put it across globally with available technology that we have got, information technology. I am sure that in the coming years this will be one of the centers for excellence in the training, and I am too happy to coordinate with the institution, with other international institutions with whom I have contact, so that let us make it as a proud place for training in this part of the country, ultimately for the country. We can work up the tie-up with the University of Kentucky, Louisville, where Dr. Alan Foreman, one of the leading radiologists in America, is willing to be any part of such initiatives in other parts of the world, and I have contact with him. I can certainly work with him, and also with the Showa University in Japan, where Professor Wakano was a professor of radiology, and I was able to send 6-7 students of mine from our institution for the training there, and they are quite impressive. In fact, one of the students is sitting here. So these two universities, we will work up for the tie-up so that they will also be benefited with a wide variety of cases coming. So students from there can come here, students and faculty. Similarly, faculty and students from go there, and certainly we can, to the benefit of both the institutions, we can work out some module, especially the radiology, imageology that we have developed as CBCT. It can be used as a telemedicine tool in management of the roadside accident cases, highway cases which are far off places, that can be used. And the other one is in the field of oral cancer, because early detection of the oral cancer In India, the three cancers are very common, account for high mortality: oral cancer, breast cancer, and cervix cancer. Because oral cancer is related with this gutka chewing and tobacco chewing, and its early detection is very easy and simple method. We can train non-medical personnel through this telemedicine program to identify or detect early signs of oral cancer, because through a very simple examination. In fact, we had tried the same thing with New York University 10 years back. So that was a very successful program. So it need not be the medical or dental students. It can be even a slightly educated person how to identify just by a simple examination of the mouth through the telemedicine facilities. We can, in a far off place, we can train a band of people, bring them here in batches, train them, and when they go back, use the telemedicine facilities. I think these two areas need to be explored so that it will benefit a large population. Definitely, we can work out so that a lot of publications can come out, because though we are doing so much of work, when it comes to publications in the international impact journals, we the Indians are very poor. But definitely with the technology available, we can certainly look into those areas. And whatever little help I can give, certainly I would be able to of great assistance to this endeavor. Thank you.